Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and let's go on for Hamster Morse code tonight. And the Morse code is NFT. Okay, so let's go to my WhatsApp group. So the Morse code for today is NFT. Okay, NFT. That's what we are spelling. And as usual, we are going to consult our chart. Okay, we leave the chart there and then get to hamster itself. And as usual, the first thing we'll do is to come here, tap it 3 times to activate. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then we consult our chart NFT. The first letter is N. Letter N. So we are going for letter N. And N is dash dot. So you hold your screen and then you tap. You hold your screen, release and tap immediately. So let's go. You hold your screen, then you tap. So N has been activated. Then we go for F. F is dot dot dash dot. So tap your screen, hold and then tap. So we tap, hold and tap. Okay. Then the next one is T, and T is just holding your screen. Holding your screen and release immediately. Hold and release. That's dash. Hold and release, and that's T. So this is the easiest so far. Okay, please like, subscribe and share. You take the prize, and that's it. Please like, subscribe and share this YouTube for your friends, and follow me on all my social media handle. Bye bye.